Stay focused on your mission. Remain steadfast in your pursuit of excellence. It is during your darkest moment that you must focus to see the light. So many people tend to give up when they don't get what they want immediately. I always imagine what life would have been after I became an orphan at age 8. Things were so difficult, but I remained focused and steadfast, then push on. Where focus goes, energy flows. You are not as good as you think. You don't have it all figured out. Stay focused. Do better. Always remember to get something before you know it. When you focus on the good gets at you better. There are always forces that may tend to pull you back. Tell them you are greater than distraction. Stay focused and stay determined. Don't look to anyone else to be your determination. It will take you very far. Always remember, your focus determines your reality. Take a deep breath and focus on what is really important. I don't focus on what I'm up against. I focus on my goal and I try to ignore the rest. The main thing is to keep the main thing. A clear vision backed by definite plan gives you tremendous feeling of confidence. I've saw a lot of businesses fail because they lack the confidence and personal power to focus. Starting a business and building a product are not for the faint of heart. You have to learn to not let little disappointments get you down and to stay focused on the bigger picture. Focus to unlock your genius. Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is achieved. This goes with determination. If you want to reach your goals and dreams, you cannot do it without discipline. Do first thing first and second things not at all. Concentrate on all your thoughts upon the work at hand. For the sun rays do not burn until brought to focus. Instead of focusing on circumstances that you cannot change, focus strongly and powerfully on the circumstances that you can change. If you cannot take the time to focus on what matters, then you are living a life of someone else's design. Your destiny is to fulfill those things upon which you focus most intently. So choose to keep your focus on that which is truly magnificent, beautiful, uplifting, and joyful. Your life is always moving towards something. It is wise to direct your angers towards problems, not people. So focus your energies on answers and not excuses. Efficiency and focus are the key to success. Discover what you really want saves your endless confusion and wasted energy. The successful warrior is the average man with laser-like focus for success. The biggest challenge is to stay focused. It's time to have the discipline when there are so many competing things. Most people have no idea of the giant capacity we can immediately command when we focus all of our resources on mastering a single area of our lives. So let's stay focused and grow together. There are times you want to let go. You want to quit. You are fed up. But hey, get up. Wake up. Look at the skies. See the birds meeting their goals with less than 5 senses. Your 5 senses, use them to achieve your dreams. The only thing you need to know is that you have to take the first step, second step, third step, and get obsessed with choosing or chasing your goal. Every division that you have in your life, you absolutely can make it control. The roadmap is being focused. You have to make sure that you stay focused and have the same ambition you always had and work hard towards that goal. That's the key to success. Don't give up easily. The more you focus, the more that focus becomes a habit. This has always been my food for thought. I don't care how much power, brilliance, or energy you have. If you don't harness it and focus it on a specific target and hold it there, you are never going to accomplish as much as your ability warrants. Only through focus you can do world-class things, no matter how capable you are. So therefore, when working, work. When eating, eat. Focus on what you are doing. One look at an email can rob you of 15 minutes of your focus. One call on your cell phone, one tweet, one instant message can destroy your schedule, forcing get more of whatever you give attention to. Focus on the solution, not on the problem. For if you focus on the solution, that results will come immediately. People will turn. There are a lot of people out there who will be laughing at you, who will be saying all words against you. But don't look at them. Just focus and be hopeful that you will get the result one day. But I see a lot of people losing hope, saying, oh, we can't make it. We can't make it. We've lost the confidence. There's no way we can do it. We've been doing it over and over and again, and there's no result. I say to you, go for the result. Do it again. Do it over and over, and the result will be yours. Because you are focused, you get the result. So therefore, focus on the solution and not on the problem. Greater is he that is focused on achieving a dream. You have the result in your hand. Chase your dream and you get it.